Hello guys, I hope you are fine and you all have a good mood. Today I am going to share a very good story with you. And before any further ado, let's start it. Guys, the title of that interesting story is The Singing Boy. Once upon a time, there was a boy living in a village, and he was living in the village with his mother. And he was so poor, he couldn't earn money. And one day, he started to earn money from singing on the road. Then he went to the road and started to sing. And then when the traffic light appeared, all cars used to stop, and then he used to sing in front of him. Some people also used to give him some money, and then he started to earn few money. And one day when he was singing, and a red car stopped in front of him and gave him a lot of money, and then said, take this money, you are so good in the singing. And then he became very happy, and then the car went away. Then he saw on the road there is a pink wallet, and then he opened that wallet happily and took all money from the wallet, and then thought, this is the wallet of that woman which gave me a lot of money, and she was sitting in the red car, and I have to return this wallet. Then he said, I will not return the wallet. I will eat all of this money. And then he went to his friend and had a party, and he enjoyed a lot. And he had a lot of things, cold drinks, lays, and all things with that money. And then the next day, he spent a lot of that money and went to the road again and started to sing. Then he thought that I have to return that wallet, because in that wallet there are some official documents too that can be important. Then his friend said, no, you have eaten the all money, and if you will give this wallet to him, he will beat you and he will be very angry on you. Then he said, no, I have to give. Then he saw an ID card in that wallet, and on that ID card there was a phone number. Then he called that woman from the near shop, and then he said, I have your wallet and there are a lot of documents in it. You have to come the same place where you had met yesterday me, and then I will return your wallet. Then that girl came to the boy and asked for his wallet. Then the boy gave him the wallet, and she became very happy that you have returned my wallet, and these documents are very important. And then the boy said, I'm sorry a little bit because I have eaten the money from this, please forgive me. Then the girl said, oh, I have a lot of money, this is no problem. You have gotten the lesson from the this moment, and I forgive you. Then the woman said, if you need any kind of help, this is my phone number on my ID card, please note it. I will be here for your help. Then he became very happy, and the next day the boy didn't come, and then all his friends became very sad and upset, and started to find them, but they couldn't find that boy. And then they had an idea and then called that woman, and then the woman came, and she also started to find that boy. He spent a whole day in finding that boy, but she couldn't found that boy. Then she saw that boy is sitting under the bridge with a woman. Then she went to that boy and asked him, who is this woman? Then he said, this is my mother, and she is ill, so I couldn't come to the road to sing, and please forgive me. Then she said, no problem. She took his mother to the doctor and treated him. And then after that woman made a school named by Singing Talent School, and then the all boys and all girls started to learn from that dance and singing from that school. That school became very famous in the old Pakistan, and then they became very happy, and they both started to earn a lot of money. Then the boy was also studying in that school. Then the boy and his friends became very popular, and one day they saw news in the newspaper that there is a big competition of singing, and who will win that competition, he will earn a lot of money, in the millions of money and diamonds from that. Then the boys became very happy, and then the next day got a chance to take a part with that that competition. Then they performed very well, and then they got the prize. Then they became very happy and rushed to his home and showed his trophy to his mom, and also showed to the that woman, and gave that trophy to that woman, that this belong to you because you helped us a lot and you changed our life, and now we are so rich, and you are allowed to help us, and you can take this trophy, and that's it. And then they became very happy and started to live together. And the moral of this interesting story is we should be very hardworking and we should be very honest. That's it. Thank you for watching.